So if you have a Hyundai, you might not notice, but there is a function in the sound settings where you have something called sounds of nature, and you can scroll through like I do here right now, and that gives you, I guess, obviously like relaxing sounds and might makes you fall asleep while you drive. Let's go to the warm fireplace. I mean, that's maybe nice in a cold winter's day when you're driving. Yeah, so just in case you didn't know, in your sound settings where you can connect devices, switch to the radio and other stuff, you actually find that function